Hello, welcome to the video series for the subject, Business Organization, ECO-01. This video focuses on the first chapter of the subject. In this video we are going to take a look at objectives of business. If you have any questions regarding the topic, feel free to ask your questions in the comments sections below. Now let's dive into the contents.
Business is not mere money chasing, but it also should aim at serving the community. Profit can no more be the objective of a business than eating is the objective of living. Profit is necessary for the businessman to stay in business. He ought to aim at something more for its survival and growth. The objectives of business could be listed under three broad headings. 1. Economic objectives. 2. Social objectives. And 3. Human objectives. Economic objectives. Basically, being an economic activity, primary objectives of business are economic. Some of the main economic objectives are 1. Earning of satisfactory profits. 2. Exploring new markets and creation of more customers. 3. Growth and expansion of business operations of the firm. 4. Making innovations and improvements in goods and services so that customers get improved and more economic goods and services. Social objectives. Business, being a part of the society, has obligations towards the society. Also, some major social objectives are 1. Providing more and more employment opportunities to the people in the country. 2. Supply of quality goods to the community. 3. Providing goods at reasonable prices. 4. Ensure fair returns to investors. 5. Avoidance of profiteering and unfair practices. 6. Production of goods in accordance with national interests and priorities. Human objectives. Business activity is generally carried out through employees who are human beings. In fact, the efficiency and the success of the business enterprise depends on the motivation and ability of its employees. Therefore, business must also have some human objectives to safeguard the interests of its employees. Some of the major human objectives are 1. Fair deal to employees in terms of wages and incentives. 2. Providing better working conditions and environment to the employees. 3. Provide job satisfaction. 4. Provide the employees more and more promotional or growth opportunities.
With all that said, we are going to wind up this tutorial for now. This was a brief lecture based on the topic, Objectives of Business. We will continue this tutorial over next lecture, with more additional topics. Check out the link below for the next tutorial video. If you want a video tutorial about a specific topic, you can request below in comments. If you have any questions regarding the topic, feel free to ask your questions in the comments sections below. Click subscribe button to follow this course, and to get notified when the next lecture video gets out.